this is Aisha of Aisha Designed It, and welcome back to my channel. Well, today, y'all, I am still making birthday t-shirts. So today I am going to be making myself a birthday t-shirt with a design that I found on Etsy. It's not a rhinestone design. It's actually what I'm going to be using HTV. So heat transfer vinyl. I'm going to be using two different heat transfer vinyls. I'm going to use one with a white glitter and the other one for, I'll be 47 years old. So for the 4 and the 7, I'm going to be using pink HTV glitter. So let's go ahead and make this t-shirt. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I will be back because I have more shirts that I'm going to be making in the month of August because all of my family members, my household is in the month of August. So I will be back to show you more shirts and different things that I'm going to be making. So you all have a great day. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let's get into the video. Peace. All right, so what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be uploading my design here in Cricut Design Space. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over to the left-hand side, click upload. And I'm going to go here to where it says upload image. Now what I'm going to do, as you see, it says drag and drop file here, or you can browse in order to find what it is that you're looking for. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and drag and drop my file into this area, okay? All right, so I went ahead and found my design. So as you see, it comes up in different the different ones here, the DXL, the EPS, but I want the SPG. So now what I'm going to do, I am going to go ahead and just take it, drag it just like this, and drop it just like this, okay? Now as you see, if you do the drag and drop, it's so much easier to me. And it came up with what I want to put on my shirt for my birthday. It's my 47th birthday. Yeah, y'all, I will be 47 years old on August the 12th. Super excited. So I'm going to be making this shirt. Right now it's coming up as a cut image, but first we got some other things that we need to do, okay? So we got to bring it over into our onto our canvas, okay? So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go here to the right hand side, click on upload. All right, and as you see, let me make it bigger. As you see, it uploaded right here, okay? So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click it. And it's just, when you click it, you see it comes up with a green box around it. So now what you do is go over to the right-hand side again and say add to canvas. All right, so now you give it time to come up here in the canvas. This seemed to be pretty big. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back and check the sizing correct, because sometimes when you bring your design, whether it's a SVG or whatever it may be, over into Cricut Design Space, the size could get larger than what it is supposed to be. So I'm going to go ahead and check that first, okay? All right, y'all, so I was just trying to figure out what color iron-on vinyl that I was going to use on my shirt. Now I'm using a black Bella canvas shirt. And I wanted something to look really good, so I decided to use this, I guess it's like a white glitter vinyl, as you see right here. Now I got this from Mary Made. I have a video where I did an unboxing for Mary Made, but I absolutely love this. This is absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to be using my vinyl and go ahead and print out the printable part. All right, everyone, so I am done with the vinyl printout that I'm going to do. And as you see, it says it's mine. Then I got to put the 47th there. And then it says birthday, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and finish this and see how it turns out. All right, y'all, so what I did, instead of doing... So what I did, I went ahead and just printed the number 47 on this beautiful pink glitter iron-on here. And I showed you, let me show you this one. All right, so this one here is the glitter white that I'm going to be using. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on my shirt, and we're going to see how it looks. Remember, I have this black Bella canvas shirt that I'm going to be using. So let's go over to the heat press and get to pressing. All right, everyone, so I had to get my husband's help But what he did was just cut the 47 down and just go ahead and just put it here on this part here. So now I'm going to go ahead and take it, go down 4 fingers and just place it where I want it. Okay, so I'm going to put it about right here in this area, right here. Okay. All right, I love it. It's looking cute, y'all. Kind of straighten it out just a little bit. All right, so now I'm going to take my Teflon sheet. Now, everything is linked in the description box below, so make sure you go and check it out. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. So I have my heat press on 330 for 60 seconds. All right, y'all, so let's go ahead and check it out. It's very hot, so make sure you have your heat gloves. I think this is a hot peel. Let me see. Yep. Oh, yeah, this is so pretty. You can see that glitter on here. All right, so I peeled that part off. So now I have to peel off the part that's on the 47 right here. So let's go ahead and gently take that off. This is really, really nice, y'all. All right, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my Teflon sheet, put it back over it, and do a second press. All right, y'all, so here it is. That is the second press. And let me give you a closer look of how it looks. All right, it's my 47th birthday. This is absolutely gorgeous. And again, I did this part in white glitter iron-on, and this one I did in the pink glitter iron-on. Alright, I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And again, happy birthday to all my Leo brothers and sisters. Alright, you all have a great day, and I will see you on the next video. Peace.